The art of Bacalar, a special place in the heart of Mexico's Bacalar region where art meets nature. Here, local artists showcase their talents amidst stunning landscapes, creating a vibrant and peaceful haven for everyone to enjoy. Walk through our gardens and discover a world of colorful paintings, sculptures, and installations that tell stories of Bacalar's rich culture and natural beauty. Take a moment to relax by the lagoon, letting its serene waters inspire your own creativity. Step into our oasis of art and embark on a sensory journey unlike any other. Wander through our open-air galleries, where the vibrant colors of the lagoon mingle with the vibrant hues of our artists' creations. From abstract paintings that evoke emotion to sculptures that celebrate the intricate details of nature, there's something to inspire and delight around every corner. As you wander through the pathways adorned with artistic expressions, don't forget to pause and immerse yourself in the serenity of the lagoon. Its tranquil waters mirror the beauty of the sky above, inviting you to unwind and reconnect with nature's rhythm. Take a moment to breathe in the fresh air. Listen to the gentle rustle of leaves and let your mind wander amidst the beauty that surrounds you. Whether you're an art lover or just looking for a peaceful escape, Art of Bacalar promises an unforgettable experience that celebrates the magic of both art and nature. Come and see for yourself the beauty that awaits in Bacalar's artistic paradise.